Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video, today we will learn how to delete remote servers, remote computers or domain joined computers registry key using group policy. So suppose if you have 100 computer or more than 100 computer, and if you want to delete any registry key using group policy, so I'll show you in this video how you can do that. Okay, step by step I'll show you, but before going ahead I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel, please subscribe IT Parivar just to motivate me, just to support me, and click on the bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos you will get the notification. So let's start. I'm going to open here registry. Before that I want to show you this machine is in domain. You can see this is in the computer name is ABC and domain name is itparivar.lan. So this is domain joined machine. Okay, and we'll try to delete the registry key using group policy from the domain. Okay, so let me close this and I am going to open here registry first. Okay, click to yes, and here I have created one paste registry key. You can see here that is under HK local machine, system, current control set, and then services. Okay, here you can see HK local machine, then system, then current control set and services. And I have created here one registry key, that is test. We'll try to delete this registry key using group policy. Okay, let me jump on my domain controller. So this is my domain controller and you can see the domain name is itparivar.lan, and in same domain this machine is joined. Okay, so let me again go to the domain controller. Okay, and first let me check this machine is in which OU. Okay, so I'm going to open here Active Directory users and computers, and here you can see the domain name is itparivar.lan, and that machine is in IT team OU. Okay, here you can see ABC computer. Okay, so this is under IT team OU. Okay, let me minimize this. Let me open here group policy management now. Okay, so I am going to create here one group policy. Either you can configure to delete the registry key in the default domain policy, or you can create one new group policy to delete that. So I am going to create one new group policy. Okay, so just you need to click here group policy object, right click, go to new and name it like delete remote computer registry keys. Okay, just say okay, and then now you have to configure this. Okay, so this is created here under group policy object. Just right click, click to edit, and here you can see there are two options, computer configuration and user configuration. Okay, so if you want to delete the registry key for user, I mean user wise, if any domain user will log into this system, okay, that registry key should be deleted for that user. So you need to use this one, user configuration. Otherwise, if you want to delete the registry key for the all computers users, okay, that is local or domain, you need to go to computer configuration. So now I am going to expand these preferences and then expand Windows. Okay, and here you can see registry. Right click here, just go to new registry item, and here you will see the option like update, create, replace and delete. So need to select delete. Okay, and you need to select here same path from where you need to delete the registry key. So let me minimize this first. You can see here we are going to delete this key that is under HK local machine system current control set and then services. Okay, let me go here on my domain controller. Now we'll click here. You need to select this HK local machine. I'm going to the same path. Okay, and you need to also follow the same path from where you need to delete the registry key. Expand this system, expand this, and then current control set, expand, and then services. Okay, let me select. So which key we need to delete? That is test. Okay, which is here, you can see test. Okay, HK local machine system current control set, services, and then test. So here you need to enter the registry key, whatever registry key you want to delete. Okay, you need to enter here that registry key name, and you need to select the path here. Okay, so now I'm going to apply and say okay. Let me close this. As we checked, this ABC computer, I mean my computer, this one, the client machine, is under this IT team OU. Okay, and we have created the new group policy to delete the registry key. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll go to the IT team, and you can see here there is no any group policy linked, or if there is any other group policy link, then that should not be issue. But yes, this one you need to link here. So I'm going to link, just right click, and you need to click here link an existing GPU. Once you click, you will be able to see here the existing GPU. So we are going to use this one because we configured this GPU to delete the registry key. So just select and say okay. In same way, you have to select and link the GPU OU wise. Okay, or if you want, if you have more than 100 servers, 500 servers, and those are under different OU, so you need to either link this GPU to the different OU like HR, domain sorry, not this one, this is domain control, so this is different. Okay, so like if you have multiple OUs and where servers are laying, or you need to link those, you need to link the GPU with all those OU. Otherwise you can link this GPU to the domain level here. Okay, like just you need to right click, link an existing, and then select here. So once you will select this GPU will be get applied for all the OUs. Okay, so it's up to you, like if you want to apply the GPU OU wise or for all the domain computers or domain users. So I'm going to apply here OU wise. So that computer was in IT team OU, so I linked here this GPU. Okay, now I'll close this also, and going to open CMD and we'll force GPU. So we'll update GPU update space / force. And need to press enter. It is going on, updating policy. Once it will be completed successfully here on the domain controller. Okay, if in your environment there are multiple domain controllers, then it will take some time, either or you can replicate the changes by using replication command. Okay, so this is taking some time. Let us wait. Once it will be completed successfully, we'll go to the client machine, we'll go to the PC, and then we'll run the same command to update the GPU. It is taking some time still. So let us, till now, let's do the same here. CMD run GP update / force. It is still here. You can see the test registry key. Okay, so let us wait. Computer policy update has completed successfully, and this one is also. Let me show you one thing. Just let us check like the policy which we implemented for this key deletion, it is getting applied on this computer or not. So here you need to type rsop.msc on run menu, click to OK. It will take some time. Yes, so it's open now. You can see as we have configured the group policy under computer configuration. So we'll select computer configuration, right click and go to properties. Here you can see delete remote computer registry key. That means the group policy which we applied from the domain, it is getting applied on this machine. So in this way you can check also like group policy is getting applied or not on your computer, and then run GP update. We have already executed, we already ran this GP update force command. So let us do one thing. Let me close this registry and then open again registry. Yes, see that test key has been deleted. Now you can see we are on the same path: HK local machine, current system, current control set, and then services. Now you can see here there is no any test key. So that means it's deleted now by the GPU. Okay, so guys, in this way you can delete any registry key following the same process. So I hope this video will be helpful for you, and I'll request you to please share with your friends, like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.